If you've been trying for months to publish digital notebooks or ebooks, but feel overwhelmed, confused, or like nothing's working, this video is exactly for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create and sell a digital notebook and ebook combo that works on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, Gumroad, and more. Even if you're a total beginner. When I first started this journey, I made every mistake in the book. I spent weeks designing products that nobody bought. I got lost in the confusing maze of publishing platforms, and I honestly felt like giving up. Today I'm going to show you the straightforward, no-fluff system I wish I had from day one. In this video, we're going to cover creating beautiful digital notebooks and complementary ebooks using simple tools, including AI. I'll show you how to bundle them together to create a high-value offer that customers love. Most importantly, you'll learn how to sell your creations across multiple platforms to build several streams of passive income. This isn't about a one-time upload, it's about building a sustainable, long-term system. Plus, to make it even easier for you, I've linked a few supporting files in the description below to help you start creating today. If you want help picking your first niche, I also share niche lists and beginner-friendly prompts inside my school community, including beginner workflows. The link is also in the description if you want to join us. Let's talk about the opportunity because it's bigger than you might think. The demand for digital planners, trackers, guides, and journals is absolutely booming. People are actively searching for tools to organize their lives, track habits, and learn new skills. This is where our strategy comes in. By bundling an ebook with your digital notebooks, you instantly increase the perceived value, which can dramatically boost your conversion rate. Customers don't just see a blank notebook, they see a complete solution. The best part? The startup cost is virtually zero, and there are endless niches you can dive into. Self-help and wellness, daily journaling, business planning, budget tracking for moms, study guides for students. The list is endless. So where do you sell these? We'll focus on a simple 3-platform strategy. First, Amazon KDP, which gives you access to a massive global audience and is fantastic for generating passive sales once you're set up. Second, Etsy, which is perfect for visual shoppers and niche markets. It's a platform highly trusted by female buyers, a key demographic for these products. And third, platforms like Gumroad or a Stan Store, which are creator-friendly and give you full control. They are amazing for offering freebies to build an email list and for selling your premium bundles directly to your audience. So with all this opportunity, why do so many new publishers fail? It usually boils down to a few key pain points. The Amazon KDP process can be incredibly confusing for beginners. Many people struggle with creating designs that look professional and appealing. They often have no marketing system in place, so they upload a product and just hope for the best. And one of the biggest mistakes is only selling on one platform, which severely limits their income potential. This tutorial is specifically designed to solve each and every one of these problems for you. Alright, let's dive into the step-by-step strategy. Watch this part carefully because we're gonna build your entire product line right now. First, we'll create your digital notebook in Canva. You don't need to be a designer to do this. The key is to start with a template. This builds your confidence and ensures your layout is clean from the beginning. Once you have a template open, you can easily resize it for different formats, duplicate pages with a single click, and create page variations. For example, you can have lined pages, dotted grid pages, and blank pages all within the same notebook. And don't forget to grab the free template file I've linked in the description to get a head start. Once your base layout is set, the next focus is the design itself. For design, focus on niches that sell by thinking about what problems people are trying to solve. For fonts, choices that women audiences love tend to be clean, elegant script fonts or modern sans serif fonts. Keep your layout simple and spacious. Overcrowded pages are a common reason for KDP rejection, so give your content room to breathe. The most important synergy here is to use the same aesthetic, the same colors, fonts, and style for your ebook. This creates a cohesive professional brand identity that builds trust with your customers. Now for step 2, creating your complimentary ebook. And we're going to use AI to make it fast and easy. Here's where people usually get stuck, thinking they have to write a novel. You don't. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate chapter outlines for a short guide. You can ask it to create things like 10 daily prompts for a mindfulness journal or a 7-day challenge for budget tracking. The AI will generate the core text for you. Then you simply take that text and format it. You can do this in Canva or even Google Docs. The goal is to keep the design aligned with the notebook you just created. Use the same branding, export it as a PDF, and you're done. A huge pain point for beginners is thinking an ebook has to be 100 pages long. It absolutely doesn't. A strong, well-designed 10 to 20 page guide that solves one specific problem for your customer sells extremely well and is the perfect companion to your digital notebooks. Step 3 is bundling your products into a high-value combo. Bundles sell better, period. They have a much higher perceived value. When a customer sees a notebook and a guide sold together, it feels like a complete package, not just a product. It solves their problem more thoroughly. This also allows you to have multiple formats, which means you can sell on more platforms. Customers simply love getting a matched set. You can create all sorts of bundles. A digital notebook plus a mini ebook guide, a weekly planner plus a quick start guide on productivity, a wellness journal plus an ebook of daily prompts, a fitness challenge book plus bonus printable worksheets. To deliver this, you'll create a single zip file containing all your PDFs. Use consistent naming for your files and always include a simple instruction page explaining what's inside. Now for the final creation step. Selling on multiple platforms to build a sustainable system. First is Amazon KDP, your main passive income driver. When you upload, focus on keywords and think like your customer. What would they type into the search bar? Minimalist daily planner, anxiety journal for women, student assignment tracker. These phrases help you get discovered. Choose categories carefully and price between $4.99 and $9.99 for a bundle. To sell successfully on Amazon KDP, your listing details matter as much as your product. Next is Etsy, home of visual shoppers. Here, mock-ups are everything. Create clean, beautiful images that showcase your notebook and ebook. Your description should tell a story about how your product solves the customer's problem. Branding is key. Make your shop cohesive and professional. Finally, use Gumroad or a stand store where you can build a direct relationship with your audience. Sell premium bundles and offer freebies like a sample notebook or the first chapter of your ebook in exchange for an email. This grows your list and lets you market future products to people already interested. One of the files in the description includes a checklist to help you optimize your listings on every platform. Okay, you've created your products. Now let's talk monetization and marketing. Your ebook is not just a product, it's a marketing weapon. Use it as a lead magnet to grow your email list fast. Offer it as a bonus to increase purchase rates. It also builds authority, positioning you as the expert in your niche. For marketing, you don't need to be everywhere. Focus on 1 or 2 easy channels. YouTube works well. You can make a simple screen recording showing your design process and link directly to your products. But Pinterest is the powerhouse, especially for women buyers. Create vertical pins that showcase your notebook interiors and link to your Etsy or Gumroad store. The traffic can be incredible. I also want to be transparent about tools that speed up the process. Canva Pro is a game changer for fonts, elements, and one-click resizing. AI writers like Jasper or ChatGPT help brainstorm and generate text. There are KDP listing tools for keyword research. I only recommend tools I actually use and know are valuable, and I've listed my favorites for you in the description. Your first step is simple. Go to the description and download the free template pack so you can start creating your digital notebook today. Grab the platform checklist and AI prompts file to make everything smoother. And if you want deeper support, weekly Q&A, niche lists, templates, and beginner-friendly guidance, join my online school community. The link is in the description. Inside, you'll also find my full starter kit, templates, AI prompt packs, and beginner accelerators worth over $1,000, all free for members. If you're serious about publishing this year, this is where you want to be. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next step-by-step guides. And tell me your niche in the comments: wellness, business, or something else. I read all comments and will make a video on the most requested niches. Thank you for watching, and let's get you published.